Hello beauty, welcome back to the channel. I finally started my hair care, body and bath business, and I'm super excited to share my journey with you. I know it's been a while, so welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, you are most welcomed. Here it's all about natural beauty remedies, and now we are going to be adding our business into it, so do well to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. So finally I started my hair care brand. I'm about packing an order right now. A customer ordered for a complete set of all our products, and I decided it is time to share this good news with you. So my business name is Bontenaturals, and our product, which is our hair product, our black soap and body scrub, has been made with love, so much knowledge, and extra care to make sure that every product delivers effectively. So this customer ordered for shampoo. This shampoo cleanses, detangles, and moisturizes. It's not going to leave your hair dry. She also ordered for our leave-in conditioner, which is so nourishing to the hair, so detangling, and also moisturizing. She ordered for our coffee body scrub. This is what you need to get rid of hyperpigmentation, clear your skin, and give you that uniformed skin. She also requested for our black soap. This is our signature black soap. It will brighten your skin, help you get rid of hyperpigmentation, and when you pair this black soap with our coffee body scrub, oh my god. I mean, this is what you need for that brighter, beautiful, glowing, flawless skin. So she also ordered for our deep conditioner. This is our moisturizing deep conditioner. It will help to replenish moisture and soften the hair. She also requested for our 3-in-1 detangling conditioner. This can be used either as a pre-shampoo, a regular detangling conditioner, or as a rinse out conditioner. This right here is so good at detangling the hair. I mean, all our products, our hair products, are targeting our kinky coarse hair. She also requested for our cold pressed coconut oil. This is an unadulterated coconut oil that is great for skin, hair, and overall wellness. You can comfortably ingest our cold pressed coconut oil. She also requested for our Dermagard. This is a scalp balm and a hair cream in one place, great for children, boys and girls on low cut, and is so good for men on beards. She also requested for our unrefined palm kernel oil. This unadulterated palm kernel oil is so good for the skin, for hair, and overall wellness. It can be ingested as well, and this is a good oil for your hot oil treatment. She requested for Hair Revive. Hair Revive is a hair mist for hydrating your hair, refreshing your protective hairstyle, keeping your protective hairstyle well hydrated, smelling nice, and not looking dry at all. So she also requested for our scalp scrub. This right here will properly exfoliate your scalp, help you get rid of itchy scalp, and fight dandruff. Exfoliating your scalp is a perfect way to prepare and promote hair growth. Prepare your scalp for hair growth. She also requested for our whipped shea butter. This is an unadulterated pure shea butter, great for hair, skin, great for children as well. She also requested for our protein deep conditioner. This right here will replenish protein to your hair, strengthen your hair, and prevent hair breakage. It will prevent your hair from breaking. She also requested for our chebe hair butter. Oh my god. If you are yet to if you have never tried our chebe hair butter, please, I'm going to leave our number on the screen right now. You need to try our chebe hair butter. The reviews on our chebe hair butter has been amazing. We are yet to receive any negative review on that chebe hair butter. She requested for our clarifying shampoo bar. She also requested for Ayurvedic hair and scalp oil. This Ayurvedic hair and scalp oil is so nice, so nice. She also requested for Fix Itch serum. This Fix Itch serum is a hair mist for itchy scalp, dandruff. Just spray it on your hair. It stops itchy scalp, it stops dandruff, and it gets rid of lice. She requested for a hair growth serum. Hair growth serum is infused with biotin, caffeine, and other ingredient that encourages hair growth. She also requested for a hair, Ayurvedic herbal hair mix. This Ayurvedic herbal hair mix is a deep conditioning treatment, and she also requested for a bentonite powder and henna powder. These are so good for the hair. And finally, Ayurvedic hair tea rinse. This right here is a combination of herbs that you can use for your final hair rinse. You can pour it into your spray bottle and use it as a hair mist to refresh your hair. It promotes hair growth. It targets hair growth. It targets keeping the hair healthy. So of course we needed to say thank you for buying from us. So we added the detangling brush. We also added the scalp massager. We added scrunchies, and finally we added a hair bonnet to say thank you for buying from us. So all our products have been well researched, backed by science. Several years of research, so much love, so much knowledge has gone into getting this product ready for you, and we can't wait for your order. Buy from us, buy our hair care product. Black soap is ready. Our signature black soap is ready, and we can also customize it to suit your personal need. Our coffee body scrub is ready. All our products are ready, and we can deliver to you where you are. So this is me saying thank you so much to you all. Thank you all our over 6,000 subscribers for your support over the years. For every time you click a like, for every time you drop a comment, it encourages me, and officially we are here building a business. So we can't wait to receive your order. Now the next videos are going to be more of business. Also our tutorials are going to be back and better. See you soon in the next video.